Okay, today I'll be installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So this computer is a Dell XPS 9000, which is a very old computer. I think it was released in 2011, so it doesn't have modern features like a UEFI BIOS or TPM 2.0. So as you can see right here, this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11, as you can clearly see. But you can remedy this by this is an ISO file, so I can open that. Well, let me get out of here. Windows Explorer. I opened it with Windows Explorer, and what I did was I just went here and dumped all the files there. So that's all I did. And the only thing you really have to do is just one thing. So this is the video I made about this. You just go here and download the appraiserres.dll file, which is right there. Just gonna download it. It's simple. And gonna go to the download folder. Which is here. And I'm gonna go to sources here. So I'm gonna put that file in. Let me check if it's sources or support. I think it's sources. And just overwrite the file, replace the file in destination. And now when I run it, I should be able to install Windows 11 on this computer. So when I last made the video, I didn't install Windows 11, but today I will be installing Windows 11 on this outdated computer. Okay, these are the terms of services from Microsoft. Accept. And now I am able to install this. This will take a while. So before you do this, make sure Windows 10 is fully updated. If Windows 10 is fully updated, this process will take less time. So I'll leave all the links in the video description so you can get the files and everything. I'll also leave the link for the Windows 11 ISO file. This computer is quite slow. It doesn't have a SSD on it. Just has a, I think, a 1 terabyte mechanical hard drive. So I'm just doing this to demonstrate that you can upgrade to Windows 11 without having a 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th generation Core i3, Core i5, or Core i7 processor, or the latest AMD Ryzen processor, which has a motherboard that has a UEFI BIOS and TPM 2.0. Now that's done, here's a disclaimer right here. This PC does not meet the minimum system requirement for running Windows 11. These requirements help ensure a more reliable and higher quality experience. Installing Windows 11 on this PC is not recommended and may result in compatibility issues. If you proceed with installing Windows 11, your PC will no longer be supported and won't be entitled to receive updates. Damage to your PC due to the lack of compatibility aren't covered under the manufacturer's warranty. By selecting accept, you are acknowledging that you read and understood the statement. Yes, accept it. Install Windows 11 Home. Keep personal files and apps. Okay. Now it's installing. So even though I was able to bypass those requirements, the requirements of TPM 2.0 and UEFI BIOS, I'm able to install it, but there was that disclaimer, which or warning that showed you that there could be problems if you install Windows 11 on a computer which doesn't have the necessary hardware. So I'm assuming that some of the updates for Windows 11 will require TPM 2.0 or UEFI BIOS. So that's for a security measure. So if you're using something like BitLocker, I think you need a UEFI BIOS to use it. And TPM 2.0 is for security, so that your computer can't more easily get hacked. So we're just gonna skip through this. This is gonna take a while. Okay. That part took more than 50 minutes, but this part is going to take a while also. It's finished. So now we could get in here. That took a long time. Now it's done. That took a while. So this is how Windows 11 looks like. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.